Alrighty, here's the recipe for my super simple Sicilian Arancini with a side of marinara sauce. So I'm going to start off with a little bit of my risotto. It's a basic risotto recipe. You could find the link at the top, as well as a little piece of mozzarella and a little bit of my 30-second marinara sauce. Once I've done that, I'm going to continue until all my risotto is complete. Now I'm going to take that ball and I'm going to dredge it in some flour. It's just your regular all-purpose flour, nothing special there. I'm going to form it into a ball, keep, kind of making it tight and tight and tight. And I like to keep them the shape of a golf ball as well. Once it's all covered with the flour, I'm going to put it into some egg wash. So this is just 2 eggs with a little bit of water. And once it's all covered with the eggs, I will put it in the breadcrumbs. And it's just regular Italian breadcrumbs that you buy at the store. All right, so here I'm going to actually make it and form it into the golf ball. Make it nice and smooth and tight. Make sure there's nothing leaking as well, so there's no marinara sauce coming out. So once I feel like it's nice and round, I finish it off and complete the rest of them. Now here comes the oil, just your standard canola oil in a pot. And the temperature is actually 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So I like to add 3 balls at a time and, just to make sure that there's enough space in there that they're not overcrowding and bringing down the temperature of the actual oil. So I'm going to cook these off until they're nice and golden, as you see here. And I'll set those aside on a rack on top of some paper towel just to catch the drippings. And I'll continue off with the rest of my balls. Alrighty, so now the balls are cooking. And again, once they become golden brown, I'm going to take those off. I'll put them on a plate with a little bit of marinara sauce, or you can put a side of marinara sauce to dip, a little basil for presentation, and you're good to go. Alright, let's cut into this one now. Oh, look at that. Cheesy, gooey, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Enjoy.